Oh my goodness, it is the most obvious thing. I didn't specify the table name. If we don't specify the table name, this thing is not going to get created. So I guess we just skipped right on over that. I'm just going to go down here, and we just provided a string. So I'm just going to copy this here. We'll go back up here. I'm going to call this Starships. And we'll have a backslash there. I'm going to save that. And we will copy this, paste that in, hit enter. And we're getting output. That is good. So this means that it definitely has created. And look down below where it says table status. It says creating, but it creates these pretty darn quick. If we make our way over to DynamoDB, I'm just going to go back to the service here and go to tables on the left-hand side, and it's active. So it's already been created, super, super fast. Here we can see our ship class, our registry, but we don't have any data in here. So until we have data, it's going to be a little bit hard to do anything. So I think that's what we'll do next. But just before we do, I just want to show you the describe command. So let's say that it was taking a while for our DynamoDB table to create. I don't know why, but let's just say it was really slow. And we wanted to check on the status of it. So we wanted to see that it was active. We could do is type in, and we'll do it up here so we have a reference to it. Describe table. We do AWS DynamoDB, describe table, table name, Starships. I don't know if there's really any other output than that. A lot of CLI commands have this describe. So when you use the CLI long enough, you just start guessing as to what it is. I didn't even have to look it up to know what it was. We'll go here. We'll just see if there's any other options. No, it's just table name. So we just have table name here. And I'm going to go back to the Cloud9 here. And if I just take that and paste that in there, we're getting pretty much the same output as before. And you can see now that it's active. And a lot of times I like to change the output here, and I might do table. This one would probably be good as a table. So I think that's a little bit easier. You see table status over here. It's a little bit easier to read it that way. We could also do text. For this one, it'd probably be a bit messy. So that's not very readable. So for this case, I'd use table. By default, it's JSON. So there you go. So what we'll do next is we'll move on to getting our data into our table. And we're going to have to prepare it because right now it's as a CSV file. We'll move it over to JSON, but we'll do that next.